What is up? The Veefriends NFT Series 2 drop happened today. The public mint happened today, and it has been bananas. Social media's blowing up, OpenSea's blowing up, the blockchain's blowing up. And in this video, I'm going to summarize all the crazy things that have occurred, and I'm going to help you understand if your Veefriend is rare or not. Who knows? Watch this video to find out. Oh yeah, and by the way, if you want to stay up to date with all the craziness that's happening with the Veefriends project, you definitely want to smash the like button and smash subscribe so I can keep you up to date. All right, smash subscribe. I'll make it easy for you. All right, y'all. So I just want you to understand that nobody knows for sure what's going to happen. One of the cool things about the Veefriends project is Gary is just constantly dropping new information, new benefits to Veefriends holders. So we don't exactly know what the implications are of everything, but I just want to kind of give you a recap. So at about 12:31 p.m. Eastern today, the public mint went live, meaning you were able to unlock and see the character on OpenSea that you had purchased. Okay, it was kind of like a mystery bag, kind of like opening up a pack of cards. You don't know what you have until you open it, and that's what the public mint was like. It was actually really cool, really fun, really exciting, a little nerve-wracking as well. Okay, if you were like me and you ended up purchasing a mystery Veefriend before the public mint went live, you were paying around 1 to 1.1 ETH for that Veefriend, which is a hefty investment, no doubt. Also worth noting, with each Veefriend, you're going to get a physical pack of cards, a physical pack of Veefriends cards that are playable. I don't know everything that's going to go along with that, but you know, similar to like we see with like Pokemon or Magic, you're probably going to see some value in them. And again, there's different levels of rarity. I'm going to get to that here in a few minutes. So as you kind of scroll through OpenSea, and I have it priced from low to high because frankly, I can't afford the high to low. We'll check that in a minute. But if you look from low to high, you're going to see that the floor here on the Veefriends Series 2 as of about midnight is about 0.83 ETH. Most of them are selling for about the 1 ETH that you were paying for them on the front end. And there's 55,000 of them in all sorts of different setups, right? So there's different backgrounds. There's a myriad of different backgrounds. Some are more common, some are more rare, okay? And you're like this grassy land, this hilltop, like these are some of the more common. I'll show you some of the more rare as we scroll through here. There are a bunch of different characters. If I'm not mistaken, there are 250 different characters in the set, and they all come with different poses. So you'll see this one is kind of like, it's kind of hard to tell exactly, but you've got this. This is a pretty popular one that you're going to see a lot, which is kind of like meditating, kind of with like the eyes closed. This is a standard one too, where the Veefriend is just sitting down and looking at you. There's another one where he's kind of like dancing or walking. Another common one is sleeping. And so again, there's just a bunch of different poses. And so the way that this works is based on the background, based on the Veefriend that you have, based on the pose, it's going to determine the rarity. Now, there's also some really specific type of rarities, which we'll get into in a moment. And again, what I would encourage you to do is if you opened up a Veefriend 2 and you're not sure what you have, don't sell it, don't list it, but do me a favor and write in the comments below which Veefriend you pulled, and I'd be happy to give you my opinion and link you up with some people that can help you out. And let's do this together, baby. We're in this together. This has been, I got to say that, you know, when I got into NFTs, the Veefriend Series 1, I felt like I really missed the boat in, you know, between this channel, between all the research, the Discords, the Twitter spaces I've been in, like, I feel like I'm kind of involved in this one. It's pretty exciting. So again, as I scroll down here, you see all these different characters, the Irish Terrier, the polished poodle, the balanced beetle. You know, again, these are all pretty normal. If you've got one of these, they're pretty normal. Okay. Again, the question comes down to how do we know what's rare? And so what I want to do is I want to hop over onto Twitter, onto the Veefriends Twitter page, and I kind of want to show you some of the things you're going to be looking for to determine how rare is my Veefriend. And again, don't sell if you don't know, because you might be there've been some people that have sold some very rare NFTs for a very small portion. You do not want to do that. So Patient Pandas, this Patient Panda one is pretty popular. Patient Panda pretty popular. So this is a pretty cool one. If you got a Patient Panda, props to you. That seems to be a pretty coveted one. The Gary B, I think is a really cool one. Gary B, get it? Gary B, Gary V. So this is definitely one that you can be kind of jumping up and down to if you snagged a Gary B. I think that's going to be a good one. Also, the hero of the little Veefriends game that you could play while you were waiting for the public mint to happen. Black Cat, one of the most rare. If you don't know that, then congratulations. If you pulled it, the Black Cat is one of the more popular ones. It's also, you also see that there's an extremely rare NFT, which is your character upside down, an upside down character. So keep your eyes open for that. If you're looking for these kind of anomalies here, right? So that's a big one. What's another big one? So this kind of this like burning metropolis is kind of a cool background, 555. Another thing you're going to want to be looking for is every once in a while there's just little Easter eggs in your NFTs. So you might want to look for, is there a Gary V signature? Is there a secret message? Is there something maybe in the background that you might not notice at first glance? If there's some special writing, that's something you want to look for. Robot. This robot is a big deal. The rare robot. So if you pulled a rare robot, props to you. That's another winner for sure. Again, Patient Panda, which we talked about. Black Cat. Man, this Gary B is pretty dope. I got to say, I really like the Gary B. Heart Trooper. I'm not 100% on that one. The ape seems to be a really popular one. Seems to be going pretty big. Another thing I think that you can consider when you're trying to determine rarity is, I'm going to hop back over here to OpenSea. Is what are the cost of the original Veefriends going for? Okay, so for example, if you're finding a Veefriend, let's go over here let's do high to low here. If you're seeing like again, some of the more expensive, the more rare characters from the V Series 1, good chance that that's going to be a very desirable V Series 2. And again, I'm kind of hitting on some of the big ones here. This Heart Trooper, it shows up quite a bit. The Entrepreneur Elf. It's so funny, but I don't know. Gary's very smart at getting people into this. Kind of looking through here to see if there's any other ones that really pop off that I've been hearing a lot about. You also want to be looking for, like, again, unique backgrounds, sparkly backgrounds. There's a lot of like Easter eggs and unique things. Patient Pig. Patient Pig is a really popular one. So if you pulled a Patient Pig, props to you. Again, you're seeing these one-of-one spectaculars. I don't think you're going to pull these on the public mint. There were some unique hoops you need to jump through. I think these were exclusive to V Series 1 holders. Correct me if I'm wrong on that, but I don't believe you're going to be pulling one of these. But if again, if you're looking for something that's like really stands out, is special, which is again not always obvious. All right, so I'm kind of hitting on all the big ones here. These V Series 1s are super cool. Like, one of the things that I really like now is I'm starting to get more into NFTs is like how how unique they are. Nothing really looks like the Series 1. That's kind of one of my goals now, is to get to that Series 1. If you've got a Series 1, comment below. I'd love to hear about that. But I'm, it's just it's kind of a really, really special day. Okay, cool. So I've kind of highlighted what I think are some of the big ones, the more popular ones. The pig, Patient Pig, blah, blah, blah. So what I also just want to encourage you to do here is go to the veefriends.com website. There's so much stuff happening in this roundup, and we are going to know more. Again, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm going to keep you posted as things evolve. Listen, it's like almost midnight here. And I said, so much has happened today. I've been in all these Discord rooms, all these spaces. I want to do it so you don't have to. I want to keep it simple for you here at NFTs Made Simple. So again, a lot's happening. Also happening tomorrow on April 27th, they're gonna start the raffles for the 15 new characters. And I can tell you this, the 15 new characters are going to be very, very desired. They're going to be very desirable. There are not a lot of them going out. If you pull one of those, it's going to probably, it's going to go for a lot. It's going to go for a lot of ETH. If you want to know how to mint those or how to join those raffles, I'm going to put a link right up here to another video where I explained how you can enroll in the raffle. And I'm also going to put links below to the Twitter, to OpenSea, and to the official Veefriends website in this description below. Do not click on links in the comments. There's a lot of spammers. There's a lot of hackers out there. I will put a link in the description. Don't click on any of the links in the comments. If I comment on you or if I message you or whatever, don't click on the link, all right? Don't click on the link. Only click on the link in the description here. Click on the link and good luck with your minting. Woo! Veefriend Series 2. Are you going to VCon or VCon? VidFest? VCon? Again, it's midnight. Give me a break here. I'm a little tired. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Go out, get yours. Congrats to the winners, and comment below. Which Veefriend Series 2 did you pull? I'd love to hear it. See ya. Peace.